Hey guys, Ed here, and today we have this 2008 Toyota Highlander, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to check your fluids under the hood. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we'll have to open the hood, grab a napkin or rag or whatever to wipe the dipsticks off. So I can't find the latch. Okay, right here. Secure the hood. Okay, so let's start. Right here we have engine oil dipstick, and this is engine oil crankcase cover, the cap. So if we will have to add some oil, this is where we're gonna add. This is how we're gonna check it using the dipstick. So first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna put you guys here, grab on the dipstick, pull it out, dry it off, make sure it's dry, and put it in, take it out, and look at the reading. So reading is right here between two notches, which is good, right here, and the condition of oil is very not bad, so it's still good. Level is good, which means we're not gonna top it off, and yeah, everything is nice. You also always want to check oil when the car is cold, the first thing in the morning before you have driven it. Okay, so that's when you check motor oil. This is a windshield washer container. If you have to add windshield washer fluid, you just buy windshield washer fluid in any parts store or gas stations. Open the lid, pour inside, and you're all set. Okay, here we have radiator cap, and this is radiator cap, and this is the coolant reservoir. Okay, first thing I have to mention: never open this these two caps if the car was working and the car is hot. Then if the engine is hot, because there's a pressure that builds up inside, and you might get boiling antifreeze in your face, and obviously you don't want to have that. So that's something to keep in mind, and be very careful about this. Use regular antifreeze, or in case if you in extreme situations you might use water. Well, that's in extreme situations. If you just have to get to a mechanic and your car is overheating, you might add water. Next thing, transmission dipstick is right here, this one right here. But to check the transmission fluid, the car has to be hot and working. Well, not necessarily working, but the engine and transmission should be hot, like normal working temperature. Same way we're gonna do it with the transmission dipstick. So we get it out, wipe it off, and check the reading. Right now, the thing is, right now it's not gonna show accurate, since I didn't drive the car and it wasn't working. But again, you have notches here, it has to be in the middle, okay, when it's normal. So, and the color should be pink, okay. If the color is red, I'm sorry, if the color is black, brown, or bubbly, it means there could be actually a problem with the transmission, so, or the oil should be changed. Next thing, brake fluid right here. This one uses DOT3 brake fluid. Right, here's the cap. This is how you open it, and how you get, same way you pour in brake fluid in case if you have to. The thing with the brake fluid is it doesn't evaporate, and if you're missing some, it means you're leaking, and if you're gonna leak too much out, you're gonna lose brakes. Next thing is the power steering fluid. This car has a electric power steering. Oh my god, this car has electric power steering pump, and it doesn't have power steering fluid. Okay, so that's one less thing to worry about. Other two liquids in this car are Freon, which is AC system, which is, if you're not mechanically inclined, it's better not to touch. It's also a system under pressure, and stuff can happen. It's better to leave it to professionals, to mechanics. And the differential and transfer case fluids that's something you can't really check from up here, so that's something the mechanic should check on a lift. Okay, well, that's it. Otherwise, I told you everything, and I hope this video helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.